Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use our ringsizer that you can buy in our store. Just put it into a circle and put it on your finger. You adjust it to what you think is a comfortable fit, like not too tight, like this. And now in the little window here, mine says 52, and that's the circumference millimeter. But our sizing is the diameter in millimeter. So to get your size, you need to divide this number by p or by 3.14. And to make sure that you actually can take this ring on and off your finger, the best way, because this will slip a little bit when you take it off, the best way is to tape it together so it will be in the same size the entire time, and then test to see. So now I put this on 52 again, and I see I can slide it with a little bit of struggle. So that's a good size for me.